In today's video I'll show you how to use stock media in Descript. We will start on the Descript home screen where you can see all your recent projects. I'll take a moment here to select the exact file I want to work with. I will click on this file and Descript will immediately begin opening the project for us. Once the project loads completely, you can see the text and the video interface right on the screen. Let's head over to the right upper right corner and locate the media button. I'll click on it to open the Media Options panel. Here, you'll see a few tabs like My Media and Stock. I will select the Stock tab to reveal the available stock assets. Now, let's explore our choices. The panel includes several sections like videos, Giphy GIFs, images, and Giphy stickers. I'll scroll down to the Images section and click on Show All to see more options. You will see a variety of stock images. Notice that some may show a message indicating search result limits for your plan, but we can still browse through the available collection. I will continue scrolling down through the image selections to find the perfect one for my project. There are options like Path in the Green Forest, Road and Sunbeams, and Yellow-Black Butterfly in the Nature. Once I find the image I want, which is the Path in the Green Forest, I'll hover over it and click on it. The status will update to show that Descript is importing the image. A separate small activity window pops up to display the import progress. Once the import completes, a check mark appears next to the activity, and the image is successfully placed directly onto our workspace canvas. Now that the image is on the canvas, I can adjust it. I can click and drag the corners to resize it and change how it fits the screen. At the top of the canvas, we have options like Edit with AI, Transform, Effects, and Animation. I'll click on Edit with AI to open a dialog box where I can enter prompts for adjustments, then click outside to close it. Next, I'll explore the Effects menu. Clicking it opens options like color adjustments, shadow, and glass blur. We can even add more effects from here if needed. Right next to it is the Animation tab. Let's click on it to add some dynamic movement to our image. I'll hover over the In option and select Slide from the drop-down menu, which includes options like Blur, Scale, Slide, Spin, and Wipe. Once selected, the animation panel opens on the right, allowing us to customize the animation properties. Here, we can adjust the duration, easing type, direction, and distance of the slide animation. I can also play the video to see a quick preview of how the animation looks in real time. And that's it. That's how you use stock media in Descript.